I am so excited that this is year 12 of us supporting SeaPerch, which is international competition where students all over the world are competing in regional competitions like the one we're doing today.
SeaPerch is a great event for the students here in Northeast Wisconsin because it offers them a chance to solve problems. It's a great introduction to hands-on tools and building. And they also get to learn that things don't always go perfectly. So as they're doing the competition, they have to adjust and they have to figure out how to solve a problem on the fly.
And what we love about this competition is that kids get a chance to make something and then to compete, which is really, really fun. And what we find with manufacturing careers, these careers are people who really like to make things. So why not find kids who like making things, like underwater robots, and get them all together in a room like today?
There's a misconception that everything manufacturing is dirty and grimy. There's a lot of cool things that you can do in manufacturing. You know, there's the engineering side of it, the development side of it. There's so many roles within manufacturing. SeaPerch is a great way for kids to see that I can be a builder, I can develop things, I can come up with ideas. It's just a great way to see what truly is out there as part of manufacturing.
We know that people that like manufacturing careers like to be hands-on. And we know that by giving them an experience where they can really do something, solder, measure, and work as a team, they're going to have a much better experience than just sitting in a classroom hearing about manufacturing careers.
Watching the competition, this year I'm a judge, so I'm getting to see firsthand how the kids respond to adversity on the fly. So they're having to fix their robot in between competitions and events. They're having to switch drivers because they're struggling. To see that they are able to adjust and adapt, that's huge in our world today. I had the team, they had 0 points, they had to switch drivers halfway, and they just, like a champ, they just said, switch it. And the girl, she got the highest score that we had for the whole day. If they wouldn't have switched, I don't know if they get a point. They switched halfway through, she killed it, and she gets the high score of the day. So it's just, some kids are just, they're not willing to, that's their job and they're just gonna do it. That team just is saying, they didn't make a big deal of it. They just were like, this is not working, it's not going well. And they said, well, let's switch. And without any drama, they just switched spots and went to town.
There are so many opportunities like SeaPerch, First Robotics, Vex Robotics, where kids can really experience what it's like to make, design, innovate, as well as work on a team. And so I just encourage parents to give their kids opportunities like this, where they get a chance to really try and see if they like these type of careers. You know, we have kids coming from Washington Island today. They had to take a ferry across the night before to get here. And so that school has really embraced that, hey, we're all about making stuff. We just really enjoy SeaPerch and working with all these kids in the local community.